In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti. Amen. I am Raphael, one of the 7 angels who enter and serve before the glory of the Lord. Tobit 12:15. Though he's often the forgotten archangel, Saint Raphael is really pretty amazing. He's one of the archangels mentioned in the book of Tobit. The name Raphael means God has healed and refers to the angel's restoration of Tobit's sight. In addition to healing Tobit's blindness, Raphael also guarded the young Tobias, Tobit's son, on his journey, including helping him to meet and marry his wife, Sarah, fighting the operations of a demon working against them, and giving them faith advice. Because of this, he is the patron saint of travelers, the blind, nurses, physicians, medical workers, happy meetings, matchmakers, Christian marriage, and Catholic studies. His feast in the old calendar is October 24th. In the new, he's celebrated on September 29th, along with Archangels Michael and Gabriel. Interestingly, due to the significance of his name and the healing role attributed to Raphael in the book of Tobit, many early commentators, especially St. Augustine, identify St. Raphael with the angel of the Lord mentioned in John 5. In fact, the epistle of the traditional Mass is taken from the 12th chapter of Tobit and the Gospel from John chapter 5, verses 1 to 4. Quote, "Now there is at Jerusalem a pool called Probatica, which in Hebrew is named Bethsaida, having 5 porches. In these lay a great multitude of sick, of blind, of lame, of withered, waiting for the moving of the water. And an angel of the Lord descended at certain times into the pool, and the water was moved. And he that went down first into the pool after the motion of the water was made whole of whatsoever infirmity he lay under." John chapter 5, verses 2 to 4. Thus the conjecture of these early commentators is confirmed by the official liturgy of the Church. Now here is a traditional prayer to Saint Raphael, first in English, then in the original Latin. O heavenly doctor and most faithful companion, Saint Raphael, you who restored sight to the elder Tobit and escorted the younger Tobias throughout his appointed journey and kept him safe and sound, be the doctor of my body and soul. Dispel the darkness of my ignorance and assist me in the dangerous pilgrimage of this life always, until you lead me to my heavenly homeland. Amen. Now in the original Latin. O celestis medice, et comes fidelissime, Sancte Raphael, qui Tobiae seniori visum restituisti, juniorem per omnes suscepti itineris vias deduxisti, et in columem conservasti. Esto corporis et anime me medicus, pelle ignorantiae tenebras, mihique in periculosa huius vitae peregrinatione constanter assiste, donec me ad celestem patriam perducas. Amen. I hope this has been helpful for you. If it has, please like this video and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And feel free to leave me a comment. I like hearing from you. So God bless, et oremus pro invicem.